guys, now we're going to be playing this game called hot fruit. Let's see what hot fruit have for us today. We're gonna spin it with 3 rand, but I don't like 3 rand. Let me try 450 today and see if 450 can do some miracles for us. So let's see if we can quickly spin into bonus or a very big huge win. Should have we are spinning with 4 rand, guys. Yes baby, yes baby, we finally got it. Let's see if it's gonna pay us. Oh god, watermelon. Let it be hot, let it be hot. You know watermelon is a 10 off. It's a 10 off fruit, man. Watermelon is a 10 off, guys. 10 off fruit. Let me play like a normal human being, guys. 450 I think is too much for me. Okay guys, it was a good season. I'm gonna play well with a hot fruit, not today. I just wanted to see if it's good, but you can see guys, this hot fruit today is nice. You can try it. So let me know in the comment section when you try it how much you are winning or you are losing, so that we can also advise each other if we must not play that much or whatever. Thank you guys, and if you are a new member, kindly subscribe to this channel. Thank you, bye.